Hello, YouTube. I just have a question. YouTube women's, the ones that are doing this natural curly hair routine, how do y'all keep y'all hair, you know, curly throughout the day? You know, just tell me how y'all do that because I'm trying these different products, you know, different products. I'm trying these different products, and you know, and hold on, I'll be back, okay? Hold on. Okay, I'm back. You know, I didn't use this on my hair, Curl is Shea Moisture. I didn't use this on my hair, and I didn't use the, come on now. How do y'all do that? Comment me below my videos. Tell me how y'all do that. How do y'all keep y'all hair so curly? You know, you know, this is the curling gel. How do y'all keep your hair natural curly? I watched it, you know, so I don't understand. Is this something y'all doing that proves to people, oh yeah, my hair is natural curly? This stuff is not. I don't understand. Can y'all please tell me? Leave a comment below. Tell me what's going on, cause you know, here I am. I'm trying to get my hair natural curly. I can't see. It's dry, and I wanna do like y'all do. This stuff do not work. I'm sorry, it don't work for me. And you wasted money for them products. I'm just speaking the truth. You know, people that does this natural curly hair, it's just a waste of money. I gives it a thumb down. And whoever agree with me, leave a comment below, okay? Because this right here, I mean, it makes your hair tangle. Y'all talking about detangle and all this. This stuff is just a waste of money. So if I'm right, comment me, or if I'm wrong, tell me how y'all do that. How often do y'all supposed to make y'all hair curly? So leave a comment. Comment me below my video. Subscribe me. Hit like. Subscribe me. And tell me. Tell me. How do y'all make y'all hair natural curly? Because people gotta have that real good hair. Because I know me. But y'all leave a comment. Tell me. Get back with me. So I will know. Okay. And I love each and every one of y'all. And y'all have a blessed day. Bye. Bye.